Hi guys! Hi everybody! So today I'm going to show you a short video to practice our counting. Okay, now parents, if you're watching with your child, pay attention to me and you can learn any of these math and counting signs if you don't already know those signs, okay? So you guys can learn together. Okay, we're just going to practice and review counting to 10 to start with, okay? It's been a long time since we've been in school. Okay, I tried to move where I was from the other videos. I'm actually sitting on my floor right now because I think you can see a little bit better. In my kitchen, it's a little bright, so it's a little bit hard to see. When we use the whiteboard, I'll move it closer to the camera, so that you can see it a little bit better, okay? So we're going to start just reviewing our signs 1 through 10. So I want you to be counting with me. So parents, if you're watching, please make sure that your child is signing with me and, if possible, using their voice to say and sign these numbers, okay? So we're just going to start counting and then we'll actually use some objects to count out, okay? So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, I want you to count, sign, and voice the numbers, and I'll sign them with you. Ready? Good. One more time. Let's do it all together a little bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm actually going to use some objects to count with. And you will do this after you watch me. You're going to do it yourself. Okay, you're going to find something around the house to count. Okay, so I have some of our manipulatives from our classroom. I have our little dots. One side is yellow. Okay, you can sign that with me, yellow. And the other side is red. Okay, that's another one you can sign with me, red. Okay, so let's count until we get to 10. Okay, 1, 2, let's go like that so you can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finished. Good. Okay, now we're going to try and count until we get to 6. Okay? So it's important to remember what number are we counting until. Okay, so that you don't just keep adding and adding and adding more objects. Okay, you only need to count until the number you're looking for. So, like I said before, let's go to 6. Okay, 1, 2, make sure you can see, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now am I going to get another one and count to 7? No, we're finished at 6. Okay? One way I should say, that I am going to ask you to show me that you know your numbers is by 1, counting objects like we just did, and 2, I want you to draw circles to show the number that I'm asking you for, okay? So, for example, I have, let me move this so you can see, all of our numbers written out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what I want you to do when you're finished watching is actually draw circles to show that amount. Okay? So let me move just so that you can see. So for example, if I have a 1 written down, I want you to show me the number 1 using circles. 1. Whoops. It's going in and out. I'm sorry. I apologize. I thought that this room would be better. But maybe I need to go back to my kitchen for the next video. We'll see. So there's 1 circle. Okay. Now 2. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it, okay? Make sure that you stop at the number that you're counting to, okay? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And you'll go so on and so forth, okay? So now, parents, I'm going to ask that you look underneath class work. You will see a post called Thursday Math, and you will find a short activity to follow this video, okay? You will need to find objects in your house. Again, we've already done this one time during week 1. So if you've already done this, it's going to be the same thing but a little bit shorter. So you'll need to find something in your house. It can be anything. It can be cereal, it can be pillows, it can be toys, it can be ponytails, hair ties, whatever you can easily find, okay? And I am going to give them a Google PowerPoint, Google Slides, to show what number I want them to show me. So you can take either a picture of your child with the amount of things, how many things that they counted out, or you can take a video so that I can actually see them signing, voicing, and counting. Okay, whatever they can do, so I can see them counting. The other part is going to be a Google slide where they will draw in the circles like I just did. Okay, so one part does need to be completed on the Google slide itself. The other part can be posted under Google Classroom, and that can be, like I said, a picture, but a video would be preferred because then I can actually see them signing so that I know that they've reviewed their numbers, the signs, and the names. If they don't know their number words yet, like how to spell them, that's okay, that's fine. We're not quite there yet. And then next week on Monday or Tuesday, I think it's Tuesday if I remember correctly, we will have a video lesson on adding. So they will need to be able to count, let's say 2 things here and then 3 things here, and then they will need to add them, put them together and count to 5. Okay, so I need to make sure that they're reviewing these numbers, since from some of you I have not seen a video practicing counting yet. Okay, so even if I've seen it already, that's fine. I'll see it again. It'll be a good review and you'll be all ready for our addition lesson next week, okay?